Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. It's Friday. Yeah. Yeah, it's Friday, guys, and it's 16 June. Actually, in my country, it's actually a holiday. It's called 16 June, Youth Day, whatever, stuff like that. But on the market, still, everything is going to move very smoothly, as we know. So, yesterday we did smash the market. Actually, on Euro USD, we did smash that. I hope you did see that. If you were on our live session, we did smash that. Very nice. Another one was, I think it's NASDAQ. We also did had some very nice profits. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening on Euro USD? We can still easily see that the market is still pushing to the upside. Hey, aggressively pushing to the upside. This thing is aggressive, but not as aggressive as GBP. You will see what GBP is doing. So what can we do here? As the market is actually on this moment, on this bullish momentum, I'm expecting a small reversal. If not, the market will be breaking this area. You can see the market is giving us a resistance. Then above that, obviously, we will have to take a trade. So on this one, as the market is been breaking all these areas, I will just make a notification so that I don't really miss any breakout. You see, so I'm still bullish. Or if the market respect this area, I'm expecting a very nice sell, maybe playing around this area and pushing to the upside. But mostly with this type of aggressive, the market might actually give us some aggressive sell, you see. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. Just as GBP USD, this one was also flying, guys. This was like seriously flying. So you can easily see that yes, the market has been we've been buying on this. Actually, we've been buying GBP USD for quite some time, but there are points where we actually missed, like this point. I think that we actually missed it as the market was like aggressively flying. We thought maybe we will catch it here. When I checked the market, it was already late. But where we are now, we can easily see that the market already created something like a resistance on top. It seems to be broken already. So it seems like the market still wants to push to the upside. Do you see that? It seems like the market wants to actually continue with that bullish momentum, but it's not safe, especially when we have this aggressive push. So I think I'm expecting actually a nice reversal before continuation, or aggressive reversal actually that might happen. So we'll just wait and see as we do our analysis every day. So it means you're not going to miss any update. GBP JPY, this was also crazy. We did actually also smash GBP JPY back there. You can easily see that we knew that we were on an uptrend. The reason I like following the trend is you can easily see that the trend lasts longer. The trend can last for more than 6 months, more than a month or something like that, you see. So when we go closer there, you can easily see that this thing is actually flying. This one is great, guys. If we knew about this, we were just going to hold and leave it like that. So what I see here is the market is actually giving us some very nice push to the upside, but where we are, I think the market will end up creating a resistance. I don't know if maybe the market will reverse, because even back here we never got any aggressive reversals. You see, we never got any aggressive reversals, so it means the market might still push to the upside, but the time when it starts to fall, yeah, it's going to bleed. So make sure that you are safe. Let's wait for a nice rejection before just the market to gain another stamina. I think it's just flying so hard, man. If there is a small economic news, things might start to bleed, especially on GBP JPY. If there is any positivity going on in Japan, we might see the market trying to sell like seriously crazy. So what's really happening on gold? Gold, guys, is the if maybe you want some full analysis, I did this analysis like Monday to Friday. So I will just go straight to this part. Just because I've been repeating this area for quite some time now. So what's really happening now is we are on actually a structure that we can call a resistant. Do you see that? You can see that from the top here, the market is unable to break those zones. You see, the market is just playing around this area. Some can also draw maybe a straight line there. I think it's also correct. If you draw a strong a straight line there. So why I drawn this ones up there, I'm trying to avoid this fake wicks like they break in. So this upper resistance, I think it's much better. So I think maybe gold might break this area, but I will just wait for the market to show me that. We did scalp it yesterday and that was also good. So we made something. So I'm going to make a notification above this area. I don't know if I still have another. Okay, seems like I have some notification. If the market reaches this area, I will be waiting for a breakout. Then I will jump on that buy because the market is actually on a bullish momentum. But since the market also have this sort of a resistance, we're struggling to break that resistance. So we're just waiting if maybe that will happen. We're just waiting if that will happen. If not, maybe we'll see a nice sell going on. We will see a nice breakout going to the downside. But for now, it seems like the market is just playing around that area. So now we are on US30 Dow Jones. What's really happening on Dow Jones? This is 4 hours time frame. We can easily see that the market is actually on our, let's just push a little bit up so that we don't really get some fake breakouts. You can easily see that around this area, as I've been repeating this area, the market is struggling. The market is seriously struggling to break. So there is a room for the market to do what? To push the lower side. But the way we saw the market pushing to the upside, I think maybe it's time for the market to get out. And if it gets out here, we know that it's going to fly. So we don't really have to miss this one. And that might happen actually today. That might happen today. So, and if you don't really want to miss any type of moves like that, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So later on, we're going to go on our live session. So what I see here is, the market is actually playing around this area. You can see when the market opens yesterday, it played around, but guess what? The market ended up flying to the top. And now the market has been playing around this resistance. So it means there is a room. Today, actually, when the market opens, we might see a push to the lower side, or we will see a very nice breakout. And if that happens, I'm just going to hold that maybe until next week. Yes, until next week, maybe Tuesday there. So on the other side of the market, it's NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? It's early, guys. Sinuses. Oh, la, la. Okay, we are on NASDAQ. I hope you're going to smash that like. I hope you're going to smash that like. So what's really happening here? We can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually on a very, 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 very strong bullish momentum. And what we see here is the market gave us some structures that we can actually continue to use. But along the way, since the market was actually aggressively pushing to the upside, the market was just reversing and it was just reversing anywhere, and it was not really easy for us to keep up with this. But where we were supposed to buy, yes, we did that, and sometimes we made some even nice profit. Like yesterday, if you still remember yesterday, the market was around this area. We had a sell pending order, thinking that maybe the market will go lower, and that did not actually happen. So guess what? The market pushed to the upside and touched our buy pending order also our take profit. Do you see that? So which is actually good. So I'll just go on a bit smaller time frame just for us to see it clear. We did smash this one actually with that pending order that I did send here in the group. So what I mean, I did send in the group, I think. I don't know if I send it here online, here on our live session or not, but yeah, we did smash this one actually. So what's really happening here is the market created something. You can see this is 1 hour. The market created something here, and we can call that our next resistance. So the market is playing around now. So we'll wait for the market, especially when the market opens, if it's going to break this area or maybe it's going to go down here. If it pushes lower here, we'll be expecting to buy around this area, pushing to the upside, because this is actually going to be our next support. So we expecting the market to touch this before pushing up, or that might not. Sometimes the market won't even go lower. The market might play around and break this resistance, and once it breaks this resistance, guess what? We will be watching and we're going to take that, you see. So but the best thing that you can do is to apply risk management. And for those who want to join our team, you can actually join our lifetime signals for $99, VIP signals for $99. You pay once, then you're done. And for the system that we actually that is actually going on, that we have is $50. If you want that, if you want more, want to know more about that, you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Just let me know. Check the description, you will find my contacts actually. Then I will explain that to you, and I will also show you that system. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and later on we're going to go on our live session around 3 o'clock there. So we're going to go on our live session later on around 4 on Trader Nick channel. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.